Now that the eggs are in cold water, it's going to be cold for 10 to 15 minutes to cool off. Eggs are done. It's time for the kids to paint them. Now pouring vinegar in the cup. Now that the vinegar is in the cup with the tablets, it's changing its color. There go green, orange, red, blue, and another orange, and a pink or a red. Now I will be pouring 1/2 cup of temperature room water inside this cup. Now that the cups are filled with water and vinegar, it's time for the kids to paint their Easter eggs. Okay, guys. The left one at the bottom is gold. The top one to the left is teal. And the right at the bottom is rose pink. And the blue one on top is blue azul. Kids are ready to dye their Easter eggs. They got their dye, and they got their eggs, and they got the paint right in front of them. Are you guys ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, well, we're about to dye Easter eggs. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
These are their Easter eggs, bright and colorful. Here go the final presentation. Shimmer shiny eggs. Easter eggs.